We have our next 6-ball pattern, and we have a couple of blocker balls dictating the path of some shots. Let's go ahead and find the 6-ball. There's the 6-ball up here in this pocket. It's close to this corner pocket, so ideally we'll try this corner pocket first. We would like to be in this area for the 6. How do we get to that area from the 5-ball? All right, the 5 is over here. The pocket line is following my cursor. So we need to stay on this side. We need to stay on this side of the pocket line. Let's see how far can we get up to pocket line. Ideally, if we can get about mid-table, about right here, we'll hit this with low left. It will hit here and bounce right over. If we hit a little hard, it's going to hit here and bounce out. But at least we can still shoot it. How do we get to this area of the 5-ball from the 4-ball? All right, the 4 is over here. So there is no putting it up against the rail and sliding over, everyone. We need to stay off the rail. All right, if I'm about right here, I will hit this with mid-center left, and I'll hit about this diamond, and then I'll come over to that area. So ideally, I would like to be in this area here for the 4-ball. How do I get to that area of the 4-ball from the 3-ball? Let me see, can I put the cue ball over here? This blocker ball is dictating that I probably can't. Otherwise, I could graze it about where that ball is, and then I could probably hit here and go over. But that's out, everyone, because of this blocker ball. All right, let's look at our next path. Next path is over here in the side pocket. Let's find the pocket line. The pocket line is coming through my cursor. So the pocket line is about just right below this second diamond. So ideally, I would like to be on this side of the pocket line. Then I will hit this with a little drag draw type of shot, and I'll come to about this rail. Let me double check. I'll come to about this rail and bounce out. All right, how do I get to this area on the 3-ball from the 2-ball? All right, there's the 2-ball right there. Let's see this pocket line right here. If we're over here, we could stun and go. If we could get right over here by the 4, we could stun over. That seems to be a long way to go, though. Let me check this pocket line. Pocket line is over here, and there's the 1-ball near it. So I would assume we don't need to do a whole lot of rolling. I'm coming through with the pocket line, everyone. There's the pocket line coming right through there. So we need to stay on this side of the pocket line for the 2. Let's see if we stun it. We may scratch. If we hit top from about here, we may not come far enough. So I'm going to go with I may go at about 9 o'clock, maybe a little higher, 10 o'clock, so I can hit here and bounce over and then bounce back. If I end up hitting too much spin, I'm going to go here, may hit right in that spot, and then I may end up hitting it too hard and bounce here. And if I'm not careful, I may hit here and actually bump into the 3-ball, which is going to mess up the pattern. So I'll have to feel that one out. I'll start off with about 10 o'clock, though, on the cue ball. All right, so we're going to be about right. Where's the pocket line again? We're going to be about right here for the 2-ball. Now, how do we get to this area from the 1-ball? We have ball in hand, 3 balls dictating we can't go that way. Blocker balls dictating we can't go that way, and the 5 balls dictating we can't go that way. And that means this pocket is real close to the side pocket. Let me find the pocket line. So ideally, I would like to, I'm going to bump into that ball if I get too far behind the pocket line. So that ball's definitely there on purpose. Otherwise, we could put it about where my cursor is and let the ball drift up. I probably would hit more of this area, but that's out, everyone. Let's see. We got to use the rails now. Now, if I come over to about right here, hit the cue ball in, and then hit right here with about 9 o'clock on the cue ball, I may spin a little too deep. So maybe just a little bit of left spin, center, a little bit above center, maybe about 10 or 11 o'clock, ought to get me that position there. I'll hit this rail somewhere in between here and then spin over. All right, everyone, that's my solution. Let's get to it. In this pattern, if we pocket the 1 ball in the bottom side pocket and end up below the 2 ball pocket line, we can roll the 2 ball in with left spin, which takes the cue ball 2 rails for shape for the 3 ball. Once we're on the 3 ball, we'll use a stun shot to send the cue ball off the side rail for shape on the 4. Now it's just a matter of rolling the 4 with a small amount of running English to get on the 5. When we shoot the 4 ball, we want a small amount of side spin since we need a high angle on the 5 ball. Too much left spin will leave us in position A with a flat angle on the 5 ball. Alright, you'll shoot the 1 with top left, and you're going to hit the side rail. You're going to hit the 2 with like mid top left, and you're going to hit both side rails. You're going to shoot the 3 with a small amount of backspin or stun and hit the side rail. When you shoot the 4 with a little bit of left English top, you're going to hit the end rail and side rail. When you shoot the 5 ball, you're going to shoot that with bottom left, and you're going to hit both side rails. All right, everyone, you know the solution. Sticker this up and get to it.